My video is about removing the suspicious pop-ups and I would say dangerous pop-ups that are related to the site Reilebg.cfd. Reilebg.cfd is a junk site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website promotes unwanted browser extensions. Depending on the type of the extension may work as adware or as a browser hijacker, and because of that your browser settings may be changed and you may start receiving the tremendous amount of ads, pop-ups, and experience browser redirection issues. So these pop-ups by Reilebg.cfd are absolutely faulty. To remove any unwanted browser extensions from your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any suspicious extensions, remove them. I also recommend investigating your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.